Hey guys, we are Maddy and Sascha. We are full-time travel YouTubers since 2021 and today we are at the premiere of Project Iceman in Berlin. Yes Theory, they've put together all of this event, this movie, together with Anders Hoffman, who is the star of the show. He did a Iron Man in Antarctica. Is that crazy or is that crazy? Hi.
Excited, nervous.
Get run over?
Yeah. Dangerous Berlin.
Yes.
Do I look Berlin today?
Does Maddy look Berlin? Yes, she does.
A bit.
Man, I look so
sexy.
formal, man. We are in
Berlin.
Berlin, that's right.
Today we are at the Berlin premiere from Yes Theory and I can't talk.
Oh man, that line is huge.
What the heck?
That line. All the way. They're all waiting to get into the movie and we're so damn looking forward to that. Woo! That's so cool.
Yeah, getting excited here.
Wow. Thank you guys for being here.
Starstruck.
One and only. We are moving. Let's get in there.
Oh, the equipment is ready. I'll get all the way back.
We're in.
All the way to the top, guys.
Let's go.
Okay. Row 5C2. Oh wow, really in front.
How did you manage to do that?
I don't know. I love the reason we're here. I feel kind of ridiculous to go to a YouTube event with such big YouTubers and being so small YouTubers.
Yeah.
Like you're like, who am I?
Right.
Come on.
But that doesn't matter, right? As long as you do what you like.
Red carpet, here we come.
I think it's super crazy that YouTube basically brings together so many people.
And it's now happening in cinema.
Yeah. It's so cool.
Think about doing YouTube, guys.
Exactly. Let's go home. Nice. So many people. Let's go.
We are at the premiere in Berlin of Project Iceman. So if you know Yes Theory, you probably already know Project Iceman, and we got some tickets for the Project Iceman premiere in Berlin. And that's where we are right now, so I'm so excited. We already saw Amar and Anders Hoffman running around here, which is pretty exciting to see your movie stars from YouTube.
He did this Iron Man in Antarctica, which is just unfathomable, right?
Yeah,
it's so crazy.
crazy.
Yeah, it is. It's like... Pff.
And I'm really like, we are absolutely grateful to be part of this by being here, which is like, woo!
Yes, fam!
Yes, fam. Thank you. Enjoy the film.
He was so cool, huh?
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's watch the film.
Everybody questions when you do something that nobody else are doing.
That movie was incredible.
Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
How do you like the movie? Very inspiring, right?
Yes.
I think we've loved the message of the movie, right? And
I love to go to the toilet right now.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you while Maddy is doing her stuff. Great movie, great message. Go check it out for yourself. See you in the next one.